How to send money on Western Union. So the first step is to simply go to westernunion.com, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply create a free account. So you're gonna have to simply click on register. Now after you create your free account, you're gonna get redirected to your account. So as you can see, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on send money, and then you're gonna have to choose to which country you want to send money and the amount. So you can see you're gonna have to simply choose the country, then simply choose the amount. So you can say it's in USD dollars, and then they're gonna receive this amount in the local currency. So as you can see, I'm sending to Mexico, so they're gonna receive Mexican peso. Now, if you scroll down, you're gonna have to choose how does your receiver want the money. So they can go and pick up the cash, or you can transfer the money to their bank account, or use the mobile wallet, as you can see in this case, Mercado Pago. Then if you scroll down, as you can see, how would you like to pay? So how would you like to send the money? So you can pay online by using your credit or debit card or your bank account, or you can go in a Western Union store and pay with cash if you want to do that. Now, after you select the methods, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on continue, and then basically what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the receiver's details, their first and last name, and then you're gonna receive a code. Now, what you're gonna have to do is simply give to the receivers that code, and basically with that code they can get the money. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.